Hey guys, I am DK and in this video I gonna unbox Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus. So let's get started. Alright, let's talk about design and specs. We have Oppo logo here, speaker grill, and yes, this phone has stereo speaker, Type-C port and dual SIM card slot to stand by, not supporting SD card expansion. Alright, that's the bottom. Power button on the right side, volume rockers on the opposite side of power button. And now moving to the top, we have the noise cancellation mic and second speaker. 6.7 inches AMOLED display with FHD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and 950 nits of peak brightness, 4500 mAh battery and 80 watt fast charging comes within the box. The Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus comes with Dimensity 8100 Max processor, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. The camera transition is like Oppo Find X5 Pro. First, 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera, 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel micro camera. Some camera samples on your display. Overall, this is a camera-centric phone and design is so impressive. So this all guys, thank you so much for watching and I will meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.